This is for 6.7. We are recognizing patterns. It's a pretty simple one today. They're going to give you a problem. And the problem will say something like, there are, well, let's see, here we go. There are 7 square tables. And each of the tables sits 4 people. Each table sits 4. Okay. How many people can be seated at the tables if the tables are lined up end to end? So tables are lined up end to end. How many people can sit on it? Well, here's how I would solve it. So first, what do you know? You know that there are 7 square tables. So what I would do is I would draw a diagram. So 7 tables is, and they're squares, right? So each side is the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, we know this. That's been checked off. Each table sits 4 people. Okay, so let's mark off 4 people for each table. I'm going to use circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So far, we've satisfied both conditions of the pattern. Now, the question says, tables are lined up. What does it mean to line up the tables? Well, if I were lining them up in like a regular space in a dining hall or something, I might do this. I might say, okay, I need to put them tip to tip, right? So it's not really going to be the case that each table can fit all 4 people, right? I've got to line them up. But they said they're lined up end to end. And what does that mean? Well, in my mind, end to end means each table is touching. And if each table is touching, that means I can't actually fit a person in the middle zone, right? Because what's really going on is this table is touching this table. These 2 tables are touching and lined up with this table. So you see how we can't really fit somebody in there if they're lined up end to end? So this is what's going on. That each of the 7 tables is lined up end to end. And so when we do that, we really find out, let's make sure this is 7. 1, let's make sure this is 7. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here's my 7th one. I accidentally changed the color on that, sorry. Go back to blue. And we need to put this one here. You see, if I put that there, the 2 people crash and hit their heads, and that's not good. So we erase those 2 people. They can't sit there anymore. And we line them up end to end. And now the question is, how many people total can sit on these tables if 7 tables are lined up end to end? Well, now we just count. Ready? We got 1 person on the edge here. Oh, sorry. Oh, here we go. We're going to highlight them. We've got 1 person on the edge here. That's 1. The other edge is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. It looks like we can fit 16 people. And I'll write that better. We can fit a total of 16 people. And that's it. That's all we have to do to recognize patterns is draw a diagram, then satisfy each of the requirements, and then you're done.